Let me show you all display settings that we have available on OPPO Reno 15 Pro. So first of all, let's just go to settings, and then over here we can easily find the display and brightness. First, we have nothing unusual. We have the selection between the light mode and the dark mode. You can also create a schedule for the dark mode, so it can be automatically enabled and disabled based on the sunset and sunrise, or based on the custom time that we can choose over here. And besides that, we can find additional dark mode settings where we can adjust the style of the dark mode. You can also adjust wallpapers to dark mode, and you can use dark mode for third-party apps that are compatible in here. Besides that, we have the brightness section, so you can adjust the brightness of the screen by just swiping left and right over here. You can also toggle the automatic screen brightness. Then there's also the screen color mode, so you can choose one of these available presets. You have the choice between standard, natural, and vivid. I think natural and vivid are definitely the better ones compared to the standard. And then over here we have the screen color temperature, so we can adjust it by moving around the color wheel. You can also choose a warm or cold preset, or just choose default over here. There's also the eye care option, which is the blue light filter, which protects your eyes when you use your phone at night. So we can turn this option on over here. We have eye comfort and sleep, which automatically adjusts the screen to a warm yellow hue based on environmental changes. And also we have the standard eye protection, which we can enable by enabling this custom option. Over here at the bottom, we can use the slider to make the screen even more yellowish. Also, we have display effects, so we can switch from colors to black and white. And also we have a schedule for that option as well. After that, we have the adaptive tone, which automatically adjusts the screen color temperature based on ambient lighting conditions to ensure consistent screen colors in any environment. We have font settings in here as well, so you can choose the font style in this place. Many of these fonts also allow you to change the font size. Actually, all of them allow you to change the font size, but some of them also allow you to adjust the font weight or the thickness of the font. Display size is pretty simple. We just make everything smaller or bigger on our screen by choosing small, standard, or large. We also have the O1 Ultra Vision Engine, which allows you to sharpen the image. We can make it much more sharper. We can turn it on over here, but of course battery usage can be increased because of that. There's also the video color boost over here, which pretty much uses the HDR quality even for videos that in theory do not use HDR. There is the automatic screen rotation, screen timeout. Over here it can be adjusted as well. And there is also the screen attention, which allows you to keep the screen on if you're looking at it, even if you exceed the auto screen off timer over here. Screen resolution allows you to choose the resolution in your phone, so you can choose a standard resolution for a longer battery life, or if you prefer a sharper image, then of course you can choose a higher resolution instead. Then there is the screen resolution, screen resolution was already mentioned, screen refresh rate. And in the screen refresh rate, we can choose one of these three options: auto select, standard, and high. Standard option allows you to use 60 Hz at most. High refresh rate allows you to use up to 120 Hz, and it is used pretty much all the time. And auto select allows you to use up to 120 Hz pretty much all the time, except for cases when you have increased power consumption. When the phone uses more battery than it usually should, then the refresh rate can be dropped to 60 temporarily to reduce the power consumption. And there's also the full screen for apps, so you can, for example, hide the front camera over here, or you can cut out the bottom part over here. And that is pretty much it in terms of display and brightness settings. But also, if we go to the home screen, lock screen, and style, we can find things like always on display, icon setup, and some more stuff in here. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.